Hello Arsenal, love from India. I don't think so, guys. You deserve that much amount of criticism which you are getting right now just because of the 2-0 defeat. Basically, Brentford just targeted this area, right hand side area. Even their first goal was initiated from the goalkeeper from the left side to the right side. They are targeted this area, and that was planned. Boom. So, so I don't think so. There are a lot of fixes required in this team. It's a good team. It was just a bad luck that the five of the injuries that you are facing right now at the start of the season with the approximate cost of 11 billion INR, and that's too because of the 100% injury into the striking department of these three people. So so if the injuries are very long, you need a world class striker right now, or if these injuries are not very long, you need a quick fixes. There are three strikers that are available uh, that won't cost you much, such as Wilfried Bony. He's a free agent, and Chicharito is from LA Galaxy, and both of these players have experience in the Premier League. Wilfried Bony is a free agent. Chicharito is in the contract with LA Galaxy, but both of these guys have terrific record. Another striker who has a a Spanish league record is Giovanni Dos Santos. He's also a free agent. So if you require a quick fix into the striking department, and if injuries are not going to take long, you should sign either three of this. Then the major problem is that your defense average rating is below 80 or below 80. If you want to be in the top 4 numerically, you should have your defense rating above 80 or 82 for the to be in the top 4. So you just check out these stats of your these four people that four defenders that you have. All of them are 75. In fact, you have 21 ratings. These are, forget this. This is the game of FIFA 19, but the actual stats I have checked on the net, and your defense rating, average defense rating is below 77, and that too because of this left back genius, and he is very good. So there is one important fix that you need to do is sign Kalidou. He is very expensive from the Napoli, costing 40 from Napoli, and everybody is behind him. But he didn't sign with Manchester United. He didn't sign with PSG because Napoli expecting a high price. They don't want to sell it to Everton, and so if you could pull out this deal by approximate price of 45 million, then I think Napoli and the player, both of them might be interested, and that could be a very good fix. It would statistically put you right from your 17th position to be a finisher. Statistically, it will put you into the range of top 4 finish numerically. Okay, then if the injuries are long, then you need to get a very good striker. The fortunate thing is that you already have a world class striker, Aubameyang, in your team, but he's injured, and so it is very tough to get Ciro Immobile because he's captain of Lazio. But if you could get him, and if your injuries are serious, then that's the only solution that you have right now. Okay, so thank you, Arsenal. I'm looking forward to your Chelsea game.